Babe, it's your makeup now, wow. I wonder who this your Valentine Day is that you've kept away from me.
Just like you rightly put it, he is special and should be kept under wraps. Don't worry, babe. Be patient, you'll meet him.
Do I have a choice? Please remember me in your paradise.
Before Uncle, what are friends for? Don't worry. But, babe, what's up now? What's up? Who are you going to spend your Valentine with? Don't tell me you're not a born again.
I pray. Oh, my dear, I'm yet to make up my mind on who to visit. But I know Dixon will be expecting me to visit him. But already he knows I'll be going to visit my sick mother.
Hey! Babe, I got cap for you.
Before.
You know, I keep wondering how you combine this your student boyfriend with those your numerous boyfriends you have out there. Babe, well, as for me, it is a capital no to student boyfriend. They have nothing to offer, just sex.
I pray Dixon's stability well.
Hey, then your problem with that?
Hey!
Queen, I think your brother is here to see you.
My brother? Which of my brother?
I don't know, maybe your uncle. You have to come and see him.
I don't understand maybe you.
Babe, are you expecting any of your brothers today?
Oh, the only person I'm expecting is Omeka Naija.
What kind of a name is that? Is it a title man?
What's that? That's the guy I've been telling you about.
Maybe he's the one. Let's go and see him.
You want to see him now?
Where's my shoes?
Oh, Queen.
Don't tell me this is your Omeka Naija.
Who are you?
Queen. Me? Why are you asking? Don't you recognize me again? See, Omeka Naija, I came to see you. I brought you Valentine gifts. Happy Valentine.
Get this rubbish off my face!
Hey, God of sense, I want that.
Omeka Naija, my foot. I don't know you.
Queen, how can you say that? Of course, I know you don't mean it. Eh? It's Omeka Naija.
Who is smiling with you? Who is smiling with you? Listen, I don't know you. Take this rubbish out of this place and don't you ever come here again. You don't get Queen on your mouth again.
Queen, waiting the apple for you. Not your brother they talk to like this. Oh, now your boyfriend like oh man, this Valentine no go easy. Bros, you cannot tell well. You will carry palm oil come carry chicken join am, carry yam, come carry garri. Oh, but bros, if I bring goats and palm one, move to the do the sacrifice to go. You don't know. Anyway, if I finish, when I keep my own, I come here. Time though.
Queen! Kedu kwa n'ife mmekịta? Na ewetala mmadụ ji na ọkụkọ, garị na mmanụ. Kedụ n'ife kefe dị na ya? A na-ejizi ụdị ife ndị eme Valentine nwa. Ya, ụmụ akwụkwọ kịta ọ dị mma.
unbelievable, babe. How come? Where you from? See that type?
My sister and inside boss. So the day I went to visit my aunt at Mary, we both sat together in the bus. What? He sounded so intelligent. Hey, I enter one chance. So
You be saying everybody they speak English, they suppose. This one a corporate elderly man. Living ancestor. Extraordinary Valentine gift.
hey, see, I beg, this one don't pass laugh. No just laugh. Me, half back of Gary, 2 bags of yams, palm oil, and live chicken for Valentine gift. Hey.
The whole thing is confusing to me. You see, after we met for the first time, we continued talking on the phone. She was even the one that told me to come on Valentine's Day with tangible gifts. Nani Eba.
See, the truth is that she knows you. But I think the problem are the gifts.
How?
You see here, there are gifts female students do not expect from their boyfriends or chikers. Gifts like yam, palm oil, rice, live chicken should come from family members. The worst is that you brought them on a Valentine's Day.
Because they spend wisely, now people they call them stingy man. I want to play.
Hey, hey, on your campus.
See what your brother James bought for me for Valentine. His driver and I just left here now.
Hey,
How the ma?
We must go for calculator.
Madam.
hope you saw Mama.
Yes, madam.
Okay, how is she?
She did very, very fine. She did very happy. She said the gift we wanna give her, man. Say she like and well. Say no only God go to bless una.
Amen.
Say una going out and una coming in. Say no only Lord Jesus Christ go protect her.
Amen.
Say as una take do for am so. Now so una pikin generation to come go do for una.
Amen.
Say una going out and coming in. Say na Lord Jesus Christ go protect her. He say everything wey una want for life he go give her. Say as una dey so. Say it go be.
goodness.
Mommy, Daddy is not yet back. He promised to take me to amusement park and swimming today.
Daddy will be back soon, okay? And we'll go out.
Mommy, I want to go to children's party.
We will go. Come, let's go inside. You will take now the sun. It's not good for you.
Charlie? 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 Charlie, calm down!
James, are you mad? Have you got insane? Do you know I can kill you here now?
Charlie, you have my money and you're pointing gun at me! You have the nerves to point gun at me, Charlie!
Shut up! Shut up! And for the last time, stop following me.
Charlie, let me have my money.
Now, drop it. On the floor. Drop it on the floor. Your keys.
Charlie.
Now get your ass in your car. Get into your car! And let it be your lucky day.
I did not do any business with that idiot. It's just that my foreign partner transferred $50,000 into his domiciliary account. And for 2 months, Chess has been avoiding me, not taking my calls. Yes. I will deal with Chess. I will. Definitely. Hello, Chief. Oh, Chief, let me call you back. Let me call you. Yeah, thank you. Hello, honey.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's happening?
Honey, something just happened. Yes, when I come back home, I will tell you everything. Okay?
The food is ready. We're waiting.
Yeah, keep the food. I am coming.
I was supposed to go with Sephora this evening.
Yeah, tell my son I am coming. I will soon be home with him. Please. Baby, don't complain. I'm coming. Alright, love you.
That mad person.
Ada? Yes? I've come to collect my items. Just go in there and bring them.
Which items are you talking about?
Don't try to play smart with me. You think I don't know? You think I don't know you went begging Omeka Naya to give you those items I rejected? Oh, that's the yam. Collect.
If you try to touch anything here, you see your color. I will change it.
This guy is trying you.
Can you hear yourself? You said you rejected it. You rejected the items. So how come you're asking me to give you back what you rejected?
Let me ask you. This Omeka Naya, do you know him? Do you know anything about him? Shameless girl. Is he your boyfriend?
I should be asking you. Please, who is Omeka Naya to you? Tell me!
Hey, I'm losing it, so I'm losing it. Just go in there, bring my chicken, my garri and my palm oil.
Come and collect it. Come and collect it.
See, this one is hot. Don't let me demonstrate it.
Stand with this here. What is happening here? Can't you allow somebody to sleep in this lodge? What is it?
Ada, what is going on here?
Tell her now. Tell her what is going on.
Is she not your friend? Tell her.
Tell her, you.
Tell her. Which one is tell her? Tell her. Can't any of you talk? Ada, what is going on? See, I don't have time for any explanation. Just go in there. Bring my chicken, my palm oil, my garri, my everything. Just bring them. If you want peace to reign, just go and bring them.
Okay, let it.
Ada, what is chicken, garri, whatever? Are you Puna market women that sell food stores?
Hey, share my darling. My beautiful girl. See me see wahala. This girl here, her boyfriend came and brought garri, palm oil, live chicken, yam as Valentine gift. She rejected them and claimed not to know the boy.
Timo, garri and rice instead of iPhone 6.
iPhone 6. Are you not dating the gate, man? Look at you. Are you not dating the gate, man? See now, you chickens we don't know.
Hey, I beg. Yeah. Bring my stuff. Bring my things. iPhone 6. When you're sleeping with the gate, man.
As a sharp babe now, the items, they are in my kitchen.
Tell me something.
No, not for you.
Not fine. That means porridge yam.
You bring it. Oh yeah, now come now. Bring the yam. Come on from here. Come on, move.
You stop this one. I've been.
Yes.
You want to fight?
Yes.
Don't worry. Let me go and wear my bun short. You want to fight, Abi?
Oh, bun short.
You want to
It's
fight?
bun short.
Let's go and wear
bun short. Let me wear pants.
You cannot fight.
Get out.
My sister, me when I come pick that porridge yam.
What for you? Now me go chop the chicken. Now the head. Don't do this thing now. In fact, the head. Now me to stop.
I will so deal with Charles. Charles don't know which Nollywood. The battle line has been drawn. He should run and wait for me. He has me to contend with in this town. He think he can mess around with me? Never. Charles cannot try that. It's alright. No problem. Who's this one again?
Let me call you back.
Cora, I've told you stop picking people's calls.
I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm listening. James, talk now.
You refused to tell me what happened yesterday. I decided to keep to myself. This morning, unlike you were still sleeping by 7 a.m. I decided to sweep the compound myself.
Mama, you won't believe what happened yesterday. You won't believe. In fact, is this how these young girls behave?
What happened?
Queen denied me. Denied me completely.
How?
Queen behaved as if we had not met before. Not to talk about talking at all. She denied me.
Why? In spite of those things you bought for her?
Those food items were the problem. Oh. They said the things I brought were for local girls. Ndi Mbeke. That these young girls, they don't eat yam, gari, palm oil, and chicken.
Wait. Food is for local girls. Those of them that are not local girls, what do they eat?
Ask me. Afu wamanya. Okpa tom nana.
Good morning. Bekem, this one your face is like this. I hope all is well.
Madam, I may be forced to ban all visitation to him as long as he remains in this state.
Oh, this is his mother now. She has to see her son.
Please, he does not need such right now.
He might remain in that state for a very long time. Not as if he will ever survive.
Don't say that. My nephew will survive. He will live. He will not die.
Memo. Amen.
All he requires right now, more than any other thing, is prayers. Let's talk about Sophia and her son. Their upkeep, since she does not have any work.
Sophia can take over his business.
It is not that simple. Bureau de change is men-dominated business environment, and it's not advisable for Sophia to go into it.
I can't do business. I can't do any business.
What can you do?
Omekania should take over his brother's business for the meantime.
Mama, ekuzi ado. Hapo ile. Hapo no ile udo.
Why? Why won't I say it?
I am not an idle person. I'm not an idle man. I have my own poultry business which is doing well. Why should I leave my business to go and manage my brother's business? Bano. Nkem.
Omekania. We are not saying that you should leave your own business to die. Don't people do more than one business? How many businesses does eBay to have? Cause if I know back, you can do it if you want to. All you require is to relocate to Asaba. Simple.
Me, live in Norway. Namal bat. I no one can eme. Really come back on Namal bat.
Omekane. Come. Come.
Mama, remember what I told you about the chicken feed?
Yes, I will remember. Even if I forget, I will call you.
Adema.
Nna, Biko, take care of Sophia and her son for me, just like your brother has always done. You know what?
Don't worry, Mama. Don't worry. I will. What are you doing? Huh?
I'm going to make breakfast.
For who?
For everybody.
So your spit is the spice for the food, eh?
Eh?
If you don't spit inside the food, it will not be sweet, eh? Okay? Don't worry. I'm coming for you. Okay? Bachelum dan maja.
Gini come ready now. Gini come ready. Ane ma achino gene iname. Akema na mimi na fino yepa iname.
fire? My son!
Come back here. Fire where? Who told you there's fire?
So what happened?
It's already 7:30 to 8 in the morning. You are still in bed. You, the woman of the house. Somebody else is preparing your son for school. Another one is in the kitchen, preparing breakfast, filling it with his dirty saliva. Ono ezule. Wait, let me even ask you. Don't you people pray in this house?
We all say our individual prayers.
Hey! Alo emeba alobat. Go! Hey! Okay. Emma, why are you still standing here? Why have you not opened the car?
Oga, fuel no dey the motor, and the car himself needs servicing. Because it don't take like 2 months where we service them last.
Okay. So how many liters of petrol do you normally buy?
Oga, na tank we dey fill anytime where we go fill station. But to fill this one now, na 9,000.
9,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many months does it last?
Months, okay. Sometimes na 1 week, or if you no even reach, depending on how we take use the car.
Wait. 9,000. You spend it 1 week. Okay. It will finish.
Oga, so even this one self dey lesser. If na that one wey dey there, that one na 15,000. Oh.
Okay, no problem. Servicing is how much?
Servicing na 40,000, sir.
40 guinea?
Oga, na 40,000.
How much do I use in servicing my motorcycle? It doesn't pass 1,500 naira.
Oga, no. See, this one, the oil where we put inside, if we service am, na 10,000. 1 gallon. Then na 2 gallons we put inside. Then come check the oil filter money. Come put the workmanship money. Oga, na 40,000.
No problem. No problem, Emma. Lock the car. Take the key inside. I will use public transport and go to office. Yes.
So, make I not carry you go again?
Mbano, don't carry me. I will use public transport. I will do a lot with 40,000 naira. Take the key inside. And let me use public transport.
Hey. Calculator.
They had to walk in man, walking a bumbo. They like to do this thing on the special way. Who no understanding, they call him stingy man. If you want to balance your economy, Pico choba, Pico choba. If you need change in your life, Pico choba. If you need change in your business, Pico choba.
Mama, okay. So, can't I come back to my mother's house again? Do I need permission?
Of course you don't. It's just that it's not up to 2 days you left for Asaba. Or is it because of your poetry? I told you not to worry.
No, Mama, it's not about my poetry. I came to pick up my motorcycle.
Why? What happened to all the cars in James' house?
Mama, if you know how much they spend on those cars, buying petrol, maintaining those cars, yet they don't use any of them. That is the problem with some of us Nigerians. They will buy cars, expensive cars, yet their neighbors and their family will be suffering. Even old cars, they will not give them to use and do taxi and make money. This is the same problem that Jonah and Muhammad have.
They will buy expensive cars. Yet people are trekking to work every day, to school, to market. Is it not wickedness? So let me come and pick up my... Those cars will be there. I'll be using my bike to go to work.
Ah! Omeka Naya!
Well for the car.
Your fuel don't finish now. See for the dashboard. Yeah, your fuel don't finish.
What?
I'm very simple thing now. Just carry gallon. Police station there nearby. I go buy fuel. Put inside. No problem.
How come I did not put fuel in this car? I can't go through such stress now.
Ngozi Obi. See, I don't tire for this house, I tell you so. I don't tire for everything wey dey happen. No be what I can't do be this. So. Which can mind be this? This other brother will come now fire. Very stingy man. If do this one, trouble. If you do this one to every day now, so wahala, you cannot impress him. Which kind of man be this?
Do you know that? This kind of man is the type that will use stick to measure yam for his wife. He is stingy to the core.
Which wife? Which wife will they talk? Is he married? He never married, no pikin, no wife, nothing. As he take rich so, nothing.
This old cargo is not married.
Married for what? Who go dash him?
He is waiting for my child.
See, but that's by the way. Don't forget that one. Just forget about this one we talk. See, this is why they beg you since. At least have a change of mind now. Make you do something.
What is it you're begging me?
Have you forgotten?
I don't
forgotten.
What is it now?
I've been begging you now. Just give me this small.
Small what? What is the name of what you want?
Why are you behaving like your child? Just small.
Ima small what?
Your spaghetti. Give me your spaghetti. Make I chop. What's in your own? Because why come? It's not like that now. Don't be angry. Woo! Go.
Where is the man? Ima! Go and answer your call.
Madam!
Chop or you not chop spaghetti. This spaghetti.
Madam!
Come here.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Keke! Why did you not put fuel in my car? Because of your stupidity, I got stranded on the road today.
See, madam, I'm sorry, but yeah, not be my fault. I tell the new oga say all this car went there here, self no dey inside again. Make him give me money, but you no agree.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, get in there, man. Qu'est-ce qu'un avion?
Omekania, why did you not give him my money to fuel my car?
Where is the car?
It stopped on the road because there was no fuel in it. Not even a drop of fuel left in my car.
You should have checked your radiator, oil gauge, fuel gauge before you drive the car out every morning. If you don't do that, one day the car will show you that it wants maintenance. Car is like human being. If you don't take care of it, it will disgrace you. Anyway, Emma, come and take jerrycan. Buy 4 liters in the car and then bring the car back. You give me change when you come back.
What you are saying does not make sense to me. And I should stop using my car because you think it's a waste of money filling the car.
That is not exactly what I mean, but something close to it.
Okay, explain in plain language.
Good. You see, you people have too many cars in this compound. Too many cars and you don't use all of them. That is the problem with Nigerians. One man will buy more than 20 cars. One person, more than 20 cars. He won't be, in fact, in 1 year, he won't use all of them. Yet, every year he's renewing paper. Every time he's buying fuel. Is that not waste?
Omekania, what you are saying has nothing to do with me.
See, I am the new breadwinner of this house. So, as the father of this compound, I have decided that we'll be using one car. And that is when it is necessary. Even that time we will use the small one. The one that the fuel tank is small. That is what we will be doing. Thank God I've gone to bring my motorcycle from Nollywood. It means that we will be using the motorcycle. Car will be when it is important. We Nollywood people, we are known for riding motorcycle. Your own will not be different.
I am not from Nollywood.
Now you are married to Nollywood man, so you are one of us.
Omekania, for your information, I was born with a silver spoon. I did not grow up in hardship, not even after my parents died. I will not suffer!
Nobody is going to suffer, my dear. All I'm saying is that we will adjust with the time. Now is the time of change. We have to change as the country is changing. Otherwise, we will have problem with Muhammadu.
Like to do his thing, yo, on a special way. Who no understand him, oh, they call him stingy man. If you want to balance economy, oh, Biko Choba. Biko Choba. If you need change in your life, if you need change in your business,
You are bringing shoe?
Yes, now.
You don't need shoe now.
I need shoe.
But you have shoes.
But I need this one.
Oh, the man. How much? Add all of them. How much?
19,800.
So how much? Add the shoe. How much?
Everything will come out 44,800. Let's just call it 45,000, sir.
45 guinea.
45,000.
How can you say? Let's check it again.
This one is 5,000. This one is 10,000.
That one 10,000.
10,000. That is what is involved now. And this one too, I also give her for 10,000.
This one 10,000 too.
Yeah. And the shoe is 19,800, sir.
19,800.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. 44,800. Well, why did you tell me 45,000?
Sir, it's just to approximate the thing. It's just 45,000.
See, you will give me 200 naira change. Bring 200 naira change as I'm giving you money now. You have to bring that 200. Bring that 200 naira. You will look for change. You will look for change. Okay, man. I do not go money for you. Got to change.
Can still come next time now, sir.
No matter what they do you, no matter what they talk you, no mind them. God go the walk. No matter the actions.
Why are you looking like that? From here to your junction is 100 naira, keke. Then you have extra 100 naira. Use it to drink Coke or any mineral. You no get copyright at all.
Chichi said she has finished her exam today and she booked a flight for tomorrow.
That's okay. That's nice.
Yes, you need to pay for the flight before 12 noon tomorrow, otherwise the booking will be cancelled.
Huh? Wait. I don't understand what you're saying. Are you telling me that our last born, Chichi, will use plane to come back from Kano tomorrow?
Of course, it's quite a distance.
Since when did that one start?
Since she gained admission into Bayero University, Kano.
So this is how you and James are spoiling our last one.
This is how you spoil her. Well, that one has to stop. Tell her I will pay some money into her account to use in taking night bus to come back tomorrow. Night bus.
Omekane, your own sister?
Those people that enter night bus, are they not other people's sisters? Why will her own be different? She will be using plane to come back from Kano to East as a student. I mean, what happens if she marries tomorrow and that man cannot pay money for plane, and they live in Kaura Namoda in Sokoto State or Medugri near Sambisa? How will she do it? Will she come and meet me that time? See, pride goes before it. So if you take yourself up, God will bring you down. But if you bring yourself down, God will take you up. It's in the Bible. Quran has a version of it too. Pride goes before a fall. Zikora, repeat after me.
Pride goes before a fall. What does that mean?
When you grow up, you will understand. Down. Right.
This is our laundryman Israel. He has picked all the dirty clothes. We need yours and then money.
Ma, I wash my own clothes.
Okay, in that case, I'll need you to give him 7,000 naira for the clothes he has to wash and dry clean.
Is it good? 7,000?
Yes.
To wash clothes? I have seen something. My brother, what is that your name again?
My name is Israel.
Ananso. Holy land. Please don't be angry. You know, this is my brother's wife. My younger brother. This is the wife. Young wives of nowadays and all these young girls, they are too lazy. Too lazy to wash their own clothes. Not to talk about washing clothes for their husband. And our society has accepted it. So people like you make use of the opportunity. You look for money. So I don't blame you. But as the new man in the house, you don't need your services again. Drop the clothes. Go. I'm the new man in the house now. I said drop the cloth and go. Drop it. Go and get me basic bucket, soap. Let me see if I cannot wash this cloth better than this your Israel.
Okay, you said basin.
Basin, soap, bucket and soap. Go and bring them for me. Calling yourself a 7,000. 7. You don't for me. Well now. Sophia. It's finished. I've finished all the clothes. In fact, go back and check if you have more to wash. Bring them. I will wash them. 7,000 naira.
Mekuna komasio, this guy man yo. Ome kanya. Ome, he had the walking man yo. Ome kanya. Walking a bambo. Ome kanya. He dey like to do his thing yo on a special way. Ome kanya. Who no understand him oh? They call him stingy man. If you want to balance your economy, Pico choba. Pico choba. If you need change in your life, Pico choba. If you need change.
I forgot to inform you that payment of domestic staff salary is due since 7 days. Moreover, Chichi and I are going to the hospital. There is no fuel in my car.
Oh, that is not a problem. 10 liters of petrol can take you to the hospital, so there's no problem. Take.
What is this?
Money to buy petrol for your car now, or have you changed your mind about going to hospital?
Brother, what you are doing is not good. It's not good. Is it not her husband's money she's asking for?
Chichi, or is it Chinelo that they call you? I don't want your mouth in this matter. If I hear film again from you, I will deal with you in such a way that you will never forget it in a hurry.
But it's her husband's money now.
Yeah,
My wife, I appreciate your patience. You know what? Omega Nia took after my late husband, Albert, his father. He was named Omega Nia when he was married. I've done everything possible to make him change. But we have.
Mama, let's be very factual. The money in question is Brother James's money. Imagine Sophia Minwa coming with a public transport to this village. Mama, that's an error. It's an error.
I know the money belongs to James. But Omekania is the one in control of the money now. All I am asking is that you should just let it go. Just calm down. I will talk to Omekania. He will change. Oh?
Change?
Yeah. If not for any other thing, at least towards you. Just calm down. Take it easy with him. Tap with me.
I asked all of you to carry your bags and come out here because some of you will be leaving straight from here. Emma?
Oga.
From the list I have here, your salary is 40,000 naira a month.
Yes, Oga.
40,000 naira for doing nothing except driving Madam. When she's too lazy to drive herself, they pay you 40,000 naira a month.
Not be only Madam at the driver. At the driver, Oga too. And remember, I may still carry from village. Come. At the drive anything drivable.
You also drive Oga when he is lazy to drive his own car too. We're saying the same thing. And for that, they pay you 40,000 naira a month. Well, that spirit of laziness has been cast away from this family. So, your job is no more needed. But I don't owe people. I will pay you your last month's salary. But your job is no more needed here. As for me, I don't need any driver for my motorcycle. I am the chief pilot of that motorcycle. So your services are no longer needed in this house.
This is your money. 40,000 naira. Paulinus, your job is to cook for a married woman. Eh?
Okay, maybe like that. Being a professional cook, I be.
Good. In the Navy where I come from, it is the job of a married woman to cook for the husband and the family. Don't you think about getting married? So after you get married, you'll be washing pots and pans for another man's wife. You feel like I don't owe people just for cooking. They pay you 50,000. Ibulububa. Plus saliva you pour inside the food when you're cooking and singing that your music. Egundi isi maybe. Say I don't owe you. This is your 50,000 for your last month. Ibuba. Ngozi, your own is a bit different. Your own is different. But your salary is high as a house girl.
Oga, I'm not a house girl, I'm a housekeeper.
That is a big name they gave it so that your salary will be high. How can they be paying you 20,000 naira a month for just cleaning the house and washing plates? 20,000. From now on, I'll be paying you 7,000 naira.
7 guinea?
7,000 naira. I would have said 10, but you live in free house. You eat free food. So even with 7,000 naira, you are to gain.
Okay, I'm very sorry. I cannot accept 7,000 naira. It's too poor. I can't accept it.
Adima. Good luck. Okay. I don't owe people. This is your 20,000 naira for last month. Yakubu.
Oga.
Yakubu, your own case is bad. Your own case is bad because already I have somebody at Nollywood waiting to replace you.
Oga, may you help me now? Kachema kamu mana Oga, I beg.
How can I be paying you? I employ you from far from the north. Come down here and I'll be paying you when somebody is there at the Nollywood. And I'm not even sure you are a proper Hausa man. Hausa people I know, they are not fair like this. Maybe you are from all this Niger or Chad or all this other. Anyway, I will not owe you. Your money is 10,000 naira. It's here.
Where I won't go from here, Oga?
Where you won't go? If you reach Onitsha, go to Amausa. You have Seriki. I think it's Seriki, Abi? Go to your Seriki of Hausa people in Onitsha. If you know their brother, you be, because they look you. Hausa people like this, and they see, they know they feel like this.
Ogami na Hausa.
When you reach there, tell Seriki of Hausa in Onitsha that Omekania sack you for because you know sure say you be Hausa. Maybe you no be Nigeria self, but take your 10,000. Go. I'm not owing you. Ngozi, why are you keeping your phone here?
It's not my phone, it's the phone Madam bought for me.
Oh, Madam bought phone for you people? Okay. Give me your phones. Bring. Quick, let me have the...
Where is your own phone?
Oga, no be madam. Na my phone. I take my money buy am. My hard-earned money. No be madam, see am. Na my own.
Why won't you buy when they pay you 40,000 for doing nothing? Yakubu, tell me. Pauline, so give me your own phone.
Madam, no give me any phone.
Madam, no buy phone for you. Are you sure? Oh, what can you do?
This is no good though. This thing no good though. So as we just take stack all of us without even notice. You no good though. You no good though. Where we won't go from here now? Eh? Go. You don't even notice. Nothing. Go. I'm not owing any of you. Go.
I'm buy the chopper. No goods for no goods. Oga,
please go.
No goods.
Madam, how much is tomato?
Tomatoes is 50 naira.
50 naira? But they're just 4 now. They're just 4.
How much do we buy basket of tomatoes? 6,000 naira. Things are expensive.
What of onions?
Onions is 50 naira.
50 naira. I'll take 300 naira. What of pepper?
Pepper is 50 naira.
50 naira again. Everything is 50 naira here. Okay, I will also take 300 naira here. What of Ogo, how much?
Ogo is 100 naira.
100 naira? This small. This small Ogo.
Big now. Eh? When you go outside,
I will take 200 naira. I will take 200.
Okay.
Any problem?
Yakubu! Yakubu! It is not like seriously?
Because you're my customer, that's why I'm selling it for you like that.
Hello?
Hello,
I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon.
Hello? Who is this? Hello? Yes. What happened? Someone picked up and said, talk to me. We can Naija.
How much of you want?
Hello, Yakubu. Where? Hello? Who is this, please? You're coming where?
I'm buying something. I'm in the market. I'm buying something.
Hello?
I don't understand what happened. What's happening?
This sounds like a mechanic. I don't. You know what? He says he's coming. Let's wait. If he's the one, why is he holding their phones? We'll find out.
Sorry, yo. It's not been long I went to buy something to make soup around the estate gate. Things are so expensive here in Asaba. Is this what you people go through? Hey!
Where is everybody?
Oh, your workers?
Yes.
That Ngozi is a very stupid girl. She's an ingrate. She's an ingrate.
Domestic staff while I was away. Omekanaya, what is wrong with you? What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
What is the meaning of this?
Oh, what? No, don't.
You will not let me drive my car. I can't do anything. Kill me. Just kill me. Gigi, let me kill me. Kill me. It's okay. It's okay. Kill me! Kill me! Yes, your wife is suffering, oh! Your wife is suffering, oh! Hey, kill me! James, your wife is suffering, oh! Your wife is suffering, wake up now! Wake up! It's okay. Oh my God, kill me! It's okay.
How much is this?
It's 2,300 naira, sir.
2,300
naira, sir.
I don't want to eat. It's just for one person alone I'm talking about. I don't add my own. I don't want to eat.
Yes, it's only for her. I don't add any other one, sir.
2,300.
Yes, sir.
Babe, are you sure you will finish this?
Of course, no, I can't finish it. No.
Okay, good. You heard what she said. She can't finish it, so reduce it. Like, make it half.
No, sir, don't do like that here.
She has not even touched it. Don't worry, I'm the one telling you to reduce it. Don't worry. Reduce it.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, you'll get ice cream later. Hmm?
Are you sure?
Yes. So, how much is it now?
Still 2,300 naira, sir.
It's still 2,300?
Yes, sir.
No, but this is half of the food. It can't be the same price. I told you to reduce it. The price should be half. It's not, okay, how do you expect me to pay full money for half plate? The money should be half now. Do you think I'm a JJC?
No, sir. The size of the food does not actually determine the price of the food. We sell per portion, yes, sir.
What portion? What portion? The food is now half. It should be half.
Excuse me, please, what's the problem?
He served us food. My girl here says it's much because she's watching her weight. I told him to reduce it, which he did. Now he's telling me I'm still going to pay the same price for half of the food, like the full plate.
Sir, what we say here is per portion. But if the customer wants the food to be reduced, still don't change the price of the food.
That is bad business. It's not good like that. If you continue like that, you will lose all your customers. But that is not even the issue. When I've already asked you to use the food. And okay. Don't worry. I will pay. I will pay, but he has to bring back that food, replace the one that he has removed.
That won't be a problem, sir.
Let him replace it. I'll pay, let him replace it. Ada, why did you walk away? Why did you walk away? I was fighting for truth and justice. Just like our president is fighting against corruption. War against corruption. That is the only thing that will change this country. Okay? But don't worry. I have sorted it out with them. I have paid. So let's go back so that you can eat your food.
Never mind. I am no longer interested.
I was only standing up for the truth. Somebody has to stand for the truth in this country. Let's go back.
You know what? Please take me home. I want to go home.
All right. Since you don't want to eat, I won't force you. But wait for me here. Let me go and get the food. I have paid for it. I can't leave the food for them and then pay on top. Wait for me here. Let me go and get the food.
Walking way, the ancient man. Mekuna komasio, this guy man yo.
Girl, seriously, you can't believe this. What? This guy is good and God-fearing. Do you know, close to 3 months I've met him? He has never asked me of kiss, let alone sex.
Are you serious or you're joking right now?
I'm serious, oh. But the only problem I have is that guy is stingy. I don't understand. These Navy guys, I don't just understand. Is it that Navy guys are stingy or is Omeka Naya different?
Babe, listen, I'm from Ozobolo and I can tell you one thing. Navy men, they are not wasteful spenders. Same as Ozobolo men. And you know why? Because they don't believe in quick money. All way go for their Mia. They will take their time and work hard for their money. That's the reason.
The problem is not working out for the money. The brother has made the money. But you don't understand, this guy is just naturally stingy. He's just stingy.
But do you have a choice? Ada, I'm asking you. Your so-called boyfriend has not called you for the past 8 months that he traveled abroad. 8 months! Not even a text message or a flash. Look at you. You're here complaining. At least you have someone to call in the morning and say, hello babe, good morning. Then call again in the night and say, hello babe, good night, how was your day? Do I have anybody? Have bread, they say, my sister. It's better than puff puff. So stop complaining. I wish I even have that your boyfriend said. Come, let's go for lectures, Joe.
Seriously, this one is tired. I'm tired.
Let's go for lectures.
I want to dash yourself. I want to dash you.
Because I just spend wisely and
Oh, Omenwa, how are you?
Thank you for helping me prepare my son for school.
Oh, he's also my son. My nephew is also my son. Omenwa, thank God you have now realized that preparing your child for school and doing work in the house is not something you pay somebody 20,000 naira a month to do. You can do it.
You can do it. Well, that is what I'm doing. And after this, I can even go and cook, wash plate, and do other things around the house. It doesn't take anything away from me.
Okay, I will be needing money to buy a new hair, fix it, buy myself and cream, then go for pedicure and manicure.
There is no problem with that. Is it not something that you always do? I will give you money for that. How much is it?
Say about 350,000 naira.
Hey! Ghana! Nama alabate no kwanka. Oswagono. Teregene.
Mekania, why are you shouting? What happened?
Let me finish what I'm doing. I will see you. I will see you.
Okay.
Hey! Why you would come mad? Why you would come mad? 350,000 for hair, soap, body cream, pomade. Hey! Namal bate no konka.
Mekania.
Yes.
You called?
Yes, please sit down. Take the pen and paper. I want you to help me calculate some things. A bag of cement is sold for 2,500 naira. 100 bags will be how much?
250,000 naira.
Good. A trip of sand at 16,000 naira. 5 trips. How much?
80,000 naira.
It looks like you're good in mathematics, so.
Of course. I studied economics at the University of Nigeria in Nsukka.
Okay. If a block is sold at 300 naira, how much will be 160 blocks?
48,000 naira.
Adema. Total.
$378,000 naira.
But when you were asking for 350,000 naira to fix hair, buy cream and soap, 350,000 naira. Yet you have no work. What if you now? You don't have a job doing. Yet you are demanding for 350,000 naira for hair, cream and soap. I was told that your husband has about 8 plots. 8 empty plots of land around this area. If you put 28,000 naira to 350,000 naira, it will be enough to start a building project. And believe me, that building project, that money will go far. It will go very far. Noria?
What insult? Omekania, you actually turned me into a mathematics student just to prove your senseless point? Why are you so heartless? You're so wicked! My husband is in the hospital with slim chances of survival. Yet all you do is constantly deny me of my rights and privileges. Just because you were given charge of my husband's business. Oh my God, what have I done to you?
Chelo, don't misunderstand these things. She simply refused to think.
Wait till you think.
Oh, yeah. Birds of the same feather. Why won't you support her? Hey! 350,000 naira.
Hey, I've been looking for 350,000. Why is this? Why is it I think I'm now?
Are you walking out on me? What?
Mama, I'm telling you that Sophia is not doing her work as a wife in my brother's house. She's not at all.
Who made you the judge? Omekania, who made you the judge? James and Sophia have been living like that for many years now. And that is what marriage should be. Understanding.
I don't agree with you on that, Mama. I don't agree at all. Sophia is wasteful. She is wasteful to a fault. She has also infected my brother with that disease. But I'm going to cure that madness very soon.
Listen to me, Omekania. I did not send you to that house to go and punish Sophia. I sent you there to take care of her and my grandchildren.
It's okay. If you people don't like the good work I'm doing in my brother's house, fine. I will come back to my father's house to take care of my own business. After all, what am I getting there? It's just to take care of my brother's family, that's all. By the way, where is the key to the poultry? Let me go and take care of my livestock.
The key is inside. Don't kill my children for me. Stop yourself all the time.
The super manager. He had the working man, working a bambo. He dey like to do his thing, on a special way. Who no understand him, they call him stingy man. If you want to balance economy, Biko choba, Biko choba. If you need change in your life, Biko choba. If you need change in your business, Biko choba. If you need change in your country, Biko choba. Nekwenu woke mume, umekana. You no get copyright at all. Umekana.
Yes, Nana! Nana, give me drink. Give me one bottle of beer. Beer. No.
I know they said.
What happened?
Don't worry, buy, never pay me.
I'll go pay you.
I know they said ready.
Yeah. Nana, get empty. Ana so you go dundu. Ina kuyo kulima kunwa. Ana so you go dundu. Me amu na amu. Give me drink, I will pay you. Let me drink and be alive. I will pay.
If you relax yourself, for the time I give you drink.
If you not so,
I know they give. If you give me money, I will give you drink.
When you give me, I will pay you.
Nana, why then?
Hey! Hey! Oh! Omekana achieve! Hey! Ọ̀rọ̀ nígbà àgù one kẹ́mbù nírú àgù. Ọmú mẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹsẹ̀ one. Níbo lálẹ́, àníbo ní ilé. Hey!
Stop that rubbish. Stop, don't be stupid.
Who
are you calling Omu Mereze? Who died and who became king?
I don't know.
I don't like that. I don't like that. My brother is not dead yet. Besides, I made my money in this Nnewi before my brother became sick and I took over his business. So stop that nonsense.
Sorry for that. Anyone, even if it is 1, 2 or 3 bottles of beer only, give me, I'll drink. I'll be okay with it.
I will not buy you. I will not buy you beer. I won't buy you beer. Yes.
Oh, who has grown. Now, champagne, give it to me. Red wine, you
don't understand what I'm saying. I will not buy you drink. I have something better for you. I have a job for you. Yes, I have a job for you. I will pay you 5,000 naira. Now, apart from the 5,000 naira, you will eat free. You will stay in my house free of charge.
That one good though. I also you no go reject her.
Oh, you go Alifa. Na go on. Oh, come Maria. Don't rush me. I'm maybe we me favor.
Oga.
I'm maybe we me favor.
Oga, I get one girl where they do for job. Any type of job, she go do am.
Oh my God, I listen. No, do. You maybe we me favor. Don't rush me. Don't spoil something for me. I know how about. If you want to come out.
Don't go find better thing to do for your life.
Oh, well, you know who they talk to so? Sure, you know me so. Old soldier.
Come out.
Chief and double chief.
Yeah, old soldier.
Officer in the one. Yeah, we won. Me.
Obekanya, please, I'm not listening to you anymore.
Listen.
All you do is criticize and condemn anything that will make you spend money.
I don't understand you people. I don't understand you people. How can you be paying 120,000 naira per term for a small child? A small child in primary school. 120,000.
Obekanya, his school is not ordinary school. It's a Montessori school.
You see, is that not what they used to deceive you people? That is what they used to deceive. What is Montessori? Answer, what is Montessori? Montessori is the name of one white woman who was teaching children that have they are not sharp in brain. She was teaching them using some what kind method, and after the children pass the exam very well. So all the backyard small mushroom schools in Nigeria here now put the woman's name in their signboard, Montessori this, Montessori that, to deceive you people to pay a lot of money.
You can say whatever you like. All I know is my son will not change school to a public school.
What is wrong with public school? Answer me, what is wrong with public school? Myself and my junior brother, your husband, did you not go to public school? Okongu Memorial Primary School, Nnewi. Okongu Memorial Secondary School, Nnewi. Are we not good? Is it not showing that we went to school? Tell me, which president or governor, president dead or alive in Nigeria, went to private school? Which governor in Nigeria went to private school? Senators, commissioners, House of Representatives, House of Assembly, which of them went to? Even business people. If you talk about Nnewi alone, Ibeto, did he go to private school? Innocent, Gabros, Costalis, Ifanyoba. There are many from this our name. You want to go to other place? Obijashi. There are plenty in this our Anambra state. Did any of them go to private school? But they are doing well. I'm sure that even if you ask Obama then went to public school. This is how they deceive you people. And you have managed to kill public school in this country. The private ones will collect too much money from you. They don't teach anything. Anyway, after this term, I will not pay again for that boy to go to that school. School boss, I've already told them they should stop coming here to pick the boy. I will be taking him to school every day and I will be bringing him back. Back opposite.
Omekannaya, you are joking! Okay. You are joking!
All the man. Unagara Montessori. Ala Montessori school.
James, please come back to us. Come back. Your brother is making life so unbearable and miserable for me. Please come back. He's so wicked, he's such a beast. You have to come back. I can't take this anymore, please. Your son is missing you. I miss you. I miss you, please. Please come back. Oh, no, please. I can't take this anymore. I'm trying. I can't. I'm actually losing my mind. I'm losing it, James. I'm losing it. Please.
I have an idea. I know a way you can get money from Omekannaya.
What idea is that?
See what we'll do. We'll move out your TV, your fridge, and possibly this bed. Then I'll call him on the phone and tell him that you were attacked by armed robbers. There is no way in God's name he will not give you money to buy new ones. It's not possible.
Patience. How did you come about this idea?
You like it?
Seriously? Yeah.
There is no way it will not work, and that it must work.
Oh God, this girl.
Well, you can call me the master of ideas. But that's not all. I'm supposed to have a percentage.
On what?
On this.
Don't spoil me.
What are you talking about? My court, Joe!
You're a bad girl, Patience.
Chichi! Chichi!
Brother, I'm coming.
Brother?
Come here, come close. Come close. Listen very carefully because I want to ask you a very important question. Who are you?
Who am I?
Yes, who are you?
Brother, I don't understand this your question.
Okay. Whose sister are you?
Brother, I'm your sister now.
So why are you against me? Can't you see that Sophia is wasting our brother's money and I'm trying to stop it?
Brother, let's be honest here. Brother, what you are doing to Sister Sophia is not right. It's not good. Brother, listen. Every woman deserves love and care. And that involves money.
That is why I called you. I don't want you people to see me as a heartless person. I don't want. One doesn't have to wear expensive weave-on,
put long, fake, expensive eyelashes, white lipstick to look beautiful. No. Sophia is already a beautiful lady. She doesn't need all those those expensive things that make some of you look like masquerade. See, let us buy her not too expensive Weave-On, soap that is not too expensive, body cream, things like that, so that this money we will save it.
Wait, brother, wait. Did you say we? You and I? Ha. Brother, God forbid that I follow you to a shop to get Sister Sophia's stuff.
You know the problem you have, Chichi. Your problem is that you don't have sense.
Huh?
Get out of my sight. Get out. Hello?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good day.
It's Patience, Ada's friend. There's a problem, sir. Ada was attacked last night by armed robbers.
Eh? Jesus! Is she wounded?
They injured her in her arm.
Where is she now?
She's lying down. She's really in pain. She wants to see you, sir.
Okay, I'll be there soon. I'll be there.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Ada, Patience told me what happened. Jesus. Sorry. What type of rubbish is this? Eh? Don't you people have security around this area?
Shh, please. Bring down your voice, eh? You don't know who is who. Somebody might be somewhere close listening. These people are very bad, though.
Sorry. How bad is it? Sorry.
How do you want to kill me?
Sorry. Sorry.
They took my phone, my television, my fridge, everything.
It's okay. Thank God they didn't shoot you. I hope they didn't rape you.
God forbid.
Oh,
they didn't touch me.
Oh, thank God for that. At least they didn't rape you.
I'm in now.
Now, calm down, Ada, okay? I have spare phones in the house. I will give you one of them. Okay? As for the TV and fridge, you don't need them. Yes, you don't need them. Students don't need TV and fridge and expensive phone. It will make you not to concentrate in your studies. I'm not saying it is good that they took it all. It's not good. Robbery is not good. But students should learn to do without those things. You will see a student, you are still collecting money from your parents, but your phone is 150,000. Some students even go and install cable TV in their rooms. For what? It will distract you. You will not concentrate on your studies. So get well. Let your hand heal. Then face your studies. TV, fridge, phone, even car. They will come later. Now all you need is to study. Eh?
Aha! Ammo! The Wisi one, Wisi Ringo one, the Ewi one, and Nevio. Also, than Cambu, Kuruburu. Let's
Sir?
What's that your name? What is that your name?
Chichi, sir.
Chichi. Hi. If you have grown. I hope you're alright.
Yes, sir. I'm okay, sir. Sir, Omeka Naija is not in the house. He left a long time ago.
Hey, all those stouts. I borrow enough. I want to escape. Can't you? Papa, you put all. Now if you come and show me my room now. Let go simple. Come and show me my. I couldn't get now like you know. Come and go. Show me my room near the wall. One need. How you have to go? Go. Up from her. That's the room. Open them. Hey. Let me get your moon.
I know. Omeka Naija is not in the house, so you have to wait here for him.
How if I could go on he would have told you. If I don't tell you that they come now.
He didn't tell me, so just wait for him.
Let me wait. I'll be taking my snuff. Come, let me check. Take them. We read. It's very. I know. Oh. Don't let us see, but then one for you. As much as the no chain, I'm going to. Now, some two, don't bomb whatever.
You do the farm. Walking with the ancient man. Mekuna komasio. This guy man yo. He had the walking man yo. Walking a bambo. He they like to do his thing.
Take these things to her.
Okay.
I won't be able to follow you to her house. I'll come later in the day. Some people are waiting for me at home.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Don't worry. Tell her that when I'm coming later in the day, I'll bring her the phone.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.
From there, he has gone. Hey! Ada, where in God's name did you meet this man? Where on earth did you meet this man? Hey! Anyway, look at the things he bought for you. At least he bought you Locozed Boost, so you can have energy. He bought you Never Bone, so your arm can straighten up. And then this is 5 alive for you to stay alive. So he bought 2, so he's not that stingy anymore. Hey! I have never seen this kind of man in my life. Hey! Are you still sitting there? My friend, untie that thing on your hand. Come, let's go and carry out the TV and fridge. Ada? That's more like it. Hey! Ada? Let's go now.
Please. Stand up. Stand up.
Huh? Get up, stand up. Get forever. Stand up. Naija is not a woman. Oh.
I have thought about all the people working in this house and the work they do. The ones I think are important are just two. Gate man, house girl. So I have employed Obwisi Dingo here as our new gate man, and then Chikodi, new house girl. That is my respect.
Oh, Ijikwanya, italapuko kezegudu. You come village, come carry me, come here, make I come do gate man for you. Me, you know me. Opu selling go one, Kambu Nambu. I don't know. Oh, if you want to near you, if you want to buy water, weapon on you, or you hear you, lady. You buy your abajo. Upon all the titles when I get, and you know the titles them. Obu selling go one, the way we won. Also, Jan Kambu. Everybody know Balaba, you can know Balaba, Omekata Daujo, Dictator. Hey! Oh, Melu get man. I'm one guy more kidding with you. Mbano, Mbanidia. Hey! How's it?
Chikodi, right?
Okay, me get it.
So,
okay, my name Birat.
where are you from?
Okay, my mama from Oron, my papa from New.
Do you want to follow him?
Young, I want to work. I come to work. I will stay and work.
When you finish thinking, that is your house.
Who no understand him, they call him stingy man. If you want to balance economy, Biko choba, Biko choba. If you need change in your life, Biko choba, if you need change in your business, Biko choba. If you need change in your country, Biko choba. Nekwenu woke omekana. You no get copyright at all. Omekana.
Omekana ya chief. Hello. If you get what I say, I beg you. My friends can yo.
What is that? Go ahead.
Manage. Those are the title holder. Even though you go and the people no agree give me, but if anything happens, they are now. I get the titles inside me plenty. You know that one. You know that one. So I will say make you try do one thing for me. Tell everybody, make anybody know, try look me say I be all those kind of bulky gate man. They don't look me like that too. They don't treat me like that at all because I know the so if a man tell them, and then they call me Chief Security Officer, CSO. Either Chief Special Officer or Chief Security Officer, anyone can go.
All right, noted. CSO. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for the temperature. I don't mind. One more thing, advance. I decided you give me advance now for the job. Well,
how we say Ringo? A dire.
Nanda Korea.
Dire. I won't give you any advance. They will give you food. They will give you water to drink. When I go up now, I will buy you snuff, but no advance payment, no upfront.
Maybe after I tell me say the snuff way buy now from my salary with the doctor more.
Okay, no way. Don't worry yourself about that. Oh, I won't take it from your salary.
What the chief? That is it. Can like a chief with you people? What can like a chief? Don't matter. We say him go. You have to go matter. To go to matter. Oh, we have to matter. Yeah.
What? Why are you like that? And where are you going?
Onde vai? Acabou chorando.
What's wrong with Sophia?
I don't know. Did she say anything is wrong with her?
No, she behaves strangely these days.
And now, she's obviously tired of fighting with you over her husband's wealth. Besides, today is her birthday.
And she didn't tell me? She didn't tell me?
I'm sure you wouldn't do anything if she had told you, so maybe that's why she kept it to herself.
Shut up. Get out of my sight.
Brother. But I was here now when you came in here, and now you're telling me to get out of your sight.
First birthday after our wedding, you gave me a gold necklace.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is so thoughtful of you. You knew I wanted a new phone.
No, really. That's I'm your husband.
Thank you. Please open it. Today is another 2nd of August. My birthday. Won't you celebrate it for me? Where is my gift? I don't want a car. I don't want a gold watch. I don't want
gift I want. It's my best friend. My loving husband. You, James. You. Please get up, let's go home. Please, let's go. The car is waiting for you. Please, let's go. Let's leave this place. Let's go celebrate my birthday. Please. Wake up! Wake up!
Open the gate, please.
Shut up there! You're not getting him? If you're not getting him, come out of my gate before I fire you there.
Okwisi, are you out of your mind? Will you open this gate for me? You're madam!
Madam, move this. Madam, move this. Oh, correct.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madam. Happy birthday to you. Sophia, come on, today is your birthday. Don't just stand there. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Madam.
Chikodi. Chikodi!
Did you sleep here? What happened? Why didn't you wash the plates?
I'm tired.
What did you do last night?
Do you still want to sleep? Okay. Go to your room and sleep.
We don't get copyright at all. Young man we no get wahala oh. What do you dey thinking? Maybe what you say in the think. You know they for overspending. They economize everything well. Because they spend the wisely, and you people they call us stingy man.
It's done now. Yeah, I'm done. Just a few minutes.
Sophia.
Good morning, Mekania.
Good morning. Use this money. Buy your cream, soap, and also make your hair.
Thank you, Mekania. Keep the money. I don't need it anymore.
Is it because it's not up to 350,000 naira you asked for? That's why you're rejecting it. This is 100,000. 100,000 naira to make hair, cream, and soap. And you're rejecting it.
Nathan, I have come to understand and accept you for who you are. I bear you no grudge. Believe me, I don't need the money.
You don't need the money.
Yes, Nathan.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You are sure?
Yes, I am.
Adima, let me go to the office. I'll see you later.
To balance economy, Pico Choba, Pico Pico, Pico, Pico Pico Choba.
Why did you take the money? Hey, Sophia, see. Naija is my brother. I know him too well. He's an unrepentant, stingy man. So if you are waiting for him to come and give you money again, or add money to that money, you are making a big mistake. He will not. You should have taken that money now. Huh?
Chichi. Naija's lifestyle and attitude have made me to re-examine myself. I mean, there are better things to pay attention to as a married woman than just fashion and other extravagant lifestyle. You see, I'm supposed to be a helpmate to my husband and my family, not a liability. The only thing that concerns me right now is my family, my husband and my son. What I can do to get my husband out of the hospital.
Yeah, don't cry now. It's okay. That's a good one. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Let's finish up. It's okay. It's okay.
For so long. Come on, let's go.
Go where? Stop disturbing me. I am going over there.
No, you don't have to. Your wife Sophia is weeping. See, call your son.
not been sleeping for long. They are missing you. They want you back. Come back, my son. Come back. Please, let's go, Mass. Hey! Jesus Christ! Hey! Yes, my son. Father God Almighty, in the name of Jesus, I come against every spirit of death. I come against every spirit of death in the name of Jesus. Father God Almighty, may you deliver my son. I come against every spirit of death of all kinds. In the name of Jesus, I destroy them by fire, by thunder. Rekeseri Baba, Rekeseri Baba, Maya.
Madam.
Where is the gate man?
Madam, we'll push it on tomorrow.
Where did he go?
Madam, I know that I didn't inside.
Let me go outside.
So you didn't see where he was going? Madam, yeah, they did something. Finish your answer, you won't know. Make I know. Mama! Are you going now? Mama, James has regained consciousness. He's again. He's awake. He's alive.
Brother James is alive.
Hey!
Yes, we are about going to the hospital to see him.
Oyibo julu niko Onaba Oyibo julu niko Onabi mobodo Hey Oyibo julu niko Onaba Oyibo julu niko Onabi mobodo Like I tell you, you see that big house over that junction, so that big fine house, so now my junior brother, I build that man, and I'm hand the house there. I mean, they look after the house. Nobody will come out or enter the house without me. You know why they make me for that? They keep me for that position. You know why? Because I'll be a war fighter. I'll be old soldier. Old soldier, not the die. Talker. Old soldier, not the die. Confirm. Nothing do you now. See. Why I fight for this war, if you hear them, you could just collapse. I don't fight international wars, so I fight Burma war, World War, Guinea war, Gigi war, Nigerian war, local war, international war, village war, family wars. No one will ever fight. And I will win all of them. Oh. Aye, they give me badge and title, award, plenty now. I don't think I work again now. Some dead village, now some now I carry come this place. Oh, let me go this is so. Oh, soldier don't they die now. But also as a piece of that make me come, they help my they look all those ones, they made them just they take enjoy my protection for that place. And if you say your grandpa there around, I go know me. If you have my name, you go know. You understand? So as a piece of I was say make you go find me something, but I don't look at you small piggy. And they talk with a smile like say they laugh, they put new battle for inside you. Another one be say, as you dey shine, so that's your hand first. Show me. I say I dey say I'm so sister. Double star under your handle. We be fine girl. And again, this double star we there now. Double success now there so. I go tell you more about that one after. What you go do be say? Go give me one more shot. I take top.
I know they give you anyone. Those one why they give you before, you never pay me for that one. So I give you another one.
I go pay you now. Go give me. Make I top.
Pay me first.
Okay, you fear say if your mark you go quarrel you.
Yes, now. If I don't collect the money, why I don't give you those one why I don't give before, you go quarrel for me.
That one self now be better one. If your mark come, matter don't end. Now therefore like I make your mark because your mark see me, you go collapse. I be chief, confirmed chief. Look at my hat, so. You know, sir? This is a sign, a symbol of chieftaincy title with this one. Look my head. You know, sir? You are forget that. Even if you get now for marketing by that one, forget. This one a chieftaincy title, now be this one way they see so. My names, if you hear like this, you go collapse. Hey, now maybe the chief. Chief of we saying go one. The A we won, of Ne we won, of the whole worldwide. Now let me be that one. I fight wars with you know, what do you mean, also, yeah? This have been 90 person going to talk to me like that. Stay if you don't call me Oga. Call him again.
Chief of police Ringo 1.
See your man, forget that your face be if you find girl. See if I tell you something. Just go give me one shot. Give me one shot.
You do the famo. You don't get to work.
Who did this nonsense here? You
the famo GM.
Come, who opened this gate down? I don't want to. I don't want this nonsense for this house. Oh.
GM.
No problem with this. When you go check fish, you get happiness. Go here, go to spoiler. Now you open this gate like this. What did I worry you?
Here they come from where everybody they find you.
Everybody they look for me. Why everybody they look for me? I they share money. I don't make care go.
You may no carry come back. They will find you make you open get me carry motor go see for hospital.
Okay, don't come back.
No be come back. You come back to life.
Alright, but I think that the motor don't spot finish now. I don't know if they drive any of those motor because since when I come here, I never see where they drive one out of the motor them all.
Busy, you and Kai. See as they smell.
Get out! Hey! The group here. I need go lay on that mother. I don't drink. I take only beer and kai. That's all. I have more young. Oh, look. Nico. Olava. Nico. Olavibo bodo. Nico. Olava. Nico. Olavibo bodo.
So I saw him standing in a lonely place. I don't know whether to call that place heaven or where. He was trying to cross over to the other side. I started calling him.
You called me?
You said I should leave you. The moment I mentioned Omewa's name and Zikora, he turned back immediately. That name revived him. Hey, he turned back, then I woke up. I started praying, Thank God, my son.
Mama, I was even still sleeping when they gave me that call. I just woke up, picked up my phone, and they said it's from the hospital. Hey, your husband is awake. I said, my husband. I just ran out calling everybody. I was just shouting. I didn't even know what to do. They said he woke up around 2 o'clock or so, 2 a.m.
That was exactly the same time I had that dream.
Hey!
Mama, coincidence. Mama the dreamer. You can say that again, my daughter.
Thank God, oh. My brother, thank God that you came back. What would we have done? Can if your mother came, madam?
James,
what if your mother came?
God, I thank you.
Ada. Why the alarm now?
Sorry. Your boyfriend is there.
Who?
Your boyfriend, he's outside.
He's outside. Please. I don't want you to come inside here. Please, go. Go and meet him outside. I don't want you to come inside here. Go now.
Alright, I've heard you. Is that why you're shouting?
Go.
Who's the
Okay. What's up, Ada?
It's fine, I heard your brother's phone.
Oh yes, so he has recovered. In fact, God is a miracle worker. We thank God. Ada, my darling.
Baby, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. So how is your brother today?
Oh, my brother is fully recovered now. In fact, they are going to discharge him in 2 days' time.
That's good.
God is working.
Omeka and I was actually on my way to see my cousin.
Okay.
It was nice seeing you.
I'll see you later, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Ada, there's something I wanted to discuss. Let's go inside. Come.
Wait, please. See, it's very hot in there, and besides, I just finished mopping the floor. You can actually say whatever you want to say here.
Okay. I will go straight to the point. You see, Ada, now that my brother is fully recovered, I'm going to hand over his businesses back to him and then go back to mine. He's my younger brother. That means I'm not getting any younger. I want to settle down and raise my own family. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I want us to go and see your parents.
If you pay us the time we hear of your accident, we thank God. Say you don't come back and today you're alive.
Thank you very much, Obuselingo. You mean you came all the way from Nollywood just because of me?
Ahoche, come and do so. Now me be the CSO.
What is that supposed to mean?
No, he's the new gate man here.
But now, no, my boy,
Okay, welcome.
Chikod is the new house girl. She's from Nnewi. Her father is from Nnewi, but she grew up with her mother in Orom, Akwa Ibom.
Come here.
How are you?
My brother, there were so many people working in this house, but the work was little. So by sacking all those expensive work and replacing them with more important ones, we not only saved money, it also helped us to participate in housework.
I hope Omenwa did not participate in any of it, because I don't want her to stress herself.
Everything is alright.
It's alright, if you say so.
My brother, everything. Mama James is already aware. So I'm here to inform the elders or Momna that will join me to the place.
Oh, God, I thank you. At last. Hey! This is good news. I'm happy to hear this. Omekania. Don't forget to inform Nedo, Lisa, and Akachukwu, so that you all will agree on the particular date you will go and meet the girl's parents.
Which date? When I've already told the girl to tell her parents that we are coming tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday.
What? What kind of rush is that? Or is she pregnant for you?
Mama. She's not pregnant yet. Nothing like that. Oh, and abanu alachaka agafanye enuko. Kwali nwa mu na ya bigide no bigide watowa. No, the thing is that I don't like delay in my life. Anything that will be done should be done immediately, right now.
Chefo! Omeka ni a chefo.
Mama, happy level.
We will level ka The thing is that as a woman, I don't have a say when it comes to marriage issue. Go and discuss it with your uncles. You go?
I will. Mama, if there's any food, give me that. I go.
No problem. I have food in the house. Welcome, my son. This is good news.
My visitors, I welcome you all to my house. This is good. Thank you very much.
Do you know that the last time we came to Akeja was to marry for Okonkwo's son 20 years ago?
Exactly.
In the village called Obaho.
Oh, the other side. It's the other side. I used to have a friend, Sulu Mo, from Newi, Otolo Newi. Well, he died a month to the end of the Civil War. Anyway.
Ọ dị mma ka anyị kọọ n'ugbo onye abịa. Nwanna mmadụ aha abụ nwata n'anụ ogburu. Tell him why we are here.
My elders, I greet you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Now, I came here to Okija with my uncles because I saw a ripe, succulent orange in your compound. And I want to pluck that orange.
I don't seem to understand what you are talking about. I don't have orange trees in my compound. As you can see, what I have is ube all over.
All right, now I rather say that I am here to ask for the hand of your daughter, Adama, in marriage.
Ibiano, boldness is very important in marriage. Adama. Mukolika. Biko, bring your daughter out. Bring Adama out here. Come. Adama.
Papa.
Do you know these people?
Yes, Papa. I know Omeka Naya.
And I believe you know why he and his people are here. I also want to believe that both of you are in agreement.
Honestly, Papa, I don't know why they are here. And there was no agreement of any sort.
Adam! Adam, why are you saying all this?
Did I not tell you of my intention to marry you?
No, you did not. You only told me you wanted to settle down. You did not tell me who you want to do that with.
Hey!
For me, I don't want to marry now. Even if I want to. I would not like to marry you because you're too stingy. And I'm scared you'll not take care of me.
First of all, I will blame you for taking that girl for granted. Oh yes. That's a very wrong way to propose to a woman. See, no matter how attached or close you are to your girlfriend, it is right you propose to her in a plain language. By telling her
or asking her, will you marry me? And a ring on her finger. That's the right way to do things.
Brother, you will not understand. Besides the ring and the proposal, the girl made her fears known, which we all are aware. My point is, Brother Naya needs to loosen his fist. No modern girl will want to date or marry a stingy man. Because love goes with giving.
In my opinion, all those are flimsy excuses. I mean, Papa cannot say she did not know what you meant when you said you wanted to settle down. And then you'd like to see her parents. My summation is, she is not your wife. So, you have to put it behind you. God will bring to life.
What do you think, man? Maybe what you say you think. You know they for overspending, Him they economize everything well.
What is it? Madam, where are you taking my child?
I'm taking him to school.
On bike? What happened to the school bus?
Oh, school bus. I told them to stop coming. It's a waste of money. You see, your job allows one time for school run. So I take him to school. After school, I bring him back. I'm saving you money.
Hey! Jesus wept. Make her. Score, come. Sophia! Sophia!
Yes? What is it?
What is it that I'm hearing? Does the girl that goes to school on bike? Then what?
Omeka Naya takes him.
Sophia, I don't know how to talk anymore.
James. She has nothing to do with it. It is not her fault.
Then whose fault?
I am the one that stopped the school bus from coming. I'm the one who accepted to be taking him to school and back. He's my nephew. He's also my son. So I take him to school, I come back. I'm saving you a lot of money.
Omeka, did I tell you to save money for me? You're taking my child.
You are trying to spoil this boy. How? Remember when we were going to school at Nollywood? We were trekking for a long time, for miles. We did not even see bike to enter. Sometimes I even carried you on my back.
Omeka. That time has passed. Was our father this rich?
No, our father was not rich. But that does not mean that you should spoil this boy.
Omeka.
I'm trying to save you money. Don't spoil this boy.
Omeka.
He had to walk him man, walking a bambo. He they like to do his thing, on a special way. Who no understand him?
But Omeka Naya subjected us to poverty. He refused to fill the cars in the compound. As such, we had to use public transport, including your wife. The one that annoyed me most was that he refused to give her 350,000 she asked for to make her hair, buy her cream, buy her soap and other things she needed.
Chichi, all that is in the past. Omeka Naya was only being a caretaker to my husband's business. He was only being conservative and careful. Besides, I changed my mind about the money.
Omenwa, what nonsense are you talking about? I'm asking you. Is that why you look so unkept?
Yeah, welcome. How do you mean she's unkept? How do you mean? So a woman like this is unkept to you. How do you want her to look? Like all those women that dress anyhow? do too much makeup and when they pass they look like masquerade. She is beautiful.
Omekania, how can you? How can you keep my wife in this state? Was she the way she was looking when you came into this house?
I'm only trying to save you. Is it because of this small money you get that you don't know I'm your senior brother again? I'm only trying to save money for you.
Did I ask you to save money for me?
If I leave you the way you are going, you will spoil this your wife. She will spoil your son. When the boy goes into secondary school, nobody will see him. If he goes to university, he will travel abroad. When you get old, nobody will be there to take care of you, including your wife. So I know what I'm talking about. Is it because I allowed you to marry before me?
Omekania, is that your wish? Omekania is not in my house.
My waist!
Get out! Come on! Get out! Take your bag and get out of my house! Take your bag and get out. Omekania said, get out! I don't want to push you. Are we selling God? Are we selling? Open that gate. Make it fast. Hey, you! Get me back and follow him. Go!
Who give me money for the one I work now?
Go and pack your bags.
Who go give me money for the one I work now? Huh?
Are we selling go? Come on! I said, get out!
Give me money.
Hey!
The people there, bro. That's the best thing car.
You have to eat first.
Mama, I'm short of words. Carry on. I didn't know that Chikodi was pregnant. I didn't know. 5 months. 5 months pregnant. Oh, if I'm mad.
Madam Nana purposely gave her to you because she did not want to carry that responsibility. That's why I don't like cheap things. They end up more expensive. Don't you know that James will spend a lot of money taking care of a pregnant woman?
I'm a failure, Mama. I'm a failure. Everything I thought was right is not. I have disappointed you and the family. Sorry.
Calm down, my son. You are not a failure. You know, go on. You are not a failure. I will talk to James, but we'll give him a little time. Go on. Pull yourself together. Don't cry again. Eat your food.
This guy man yo.
Daddy.
Zikora, what is it?
Please, Zikora, come inside. You have to go to school now.
What's the problem?
He will not let me prepare him for school.
Zikora, why?
I don't want mommy to bet me. I want Omeka.
Honey, I don't understand. Why?
Omeka has been the one preparing him and taking him to school.
Zikora, as you can see, Uncle Omeka doesn't stay with us anymore. Allow mommy or better still and teacher, she can do that for you, okay?
No, I don't want mommy. I want Uncle Omeka.
I just told you Uncle Omeka is not with us anymore. Come,
please. You no get copyright at all.
What?
Where?
He left a note.
He ran to where?
I don't know. Hey, Chimo. I am finished. God, where are you?
Mama, that's enough. That's okay.
My son!
Take Mama's body inside. Mama, come and sit down. Mama, that's enough. That's enough.
Where are you?
That's enough. It's okay. You're only wrong. It's not there.
Walking with a shit man. Me kuna komasio. This guy man yo. Ome kanya. He had the walking man yo. Walking a bambo. Ome kanya. He dey like to do his thing yo on a special way. Who no understand him they call him stingy man. If you want to balance economy yo, Biko choba. Biko choba. If you need change in your life, oh, because Choba, oh, if you need change in your business, because Choba, if you need change in your country, because Choba, Nekwenu woke nume, omekana, you no get copyright at all, omekana, Young man we no get wahala oh. What do you dey thinking one them? Maybe waiting say him dey think. He no dey for overspend.